Hi there, I'm Jen from Simple Green Smoothies, and today I want to make a recipe with you that's called Simple Cashew Coleslaw. And this is a plant-based side dish that is from our book, Simple Green Meals, that comes out September 11th. And in this recipe, you are going to need to start with some soaked cashews. So we're doing 1 cup of soaked cashews, which you need to rinse before you add to your blender or food processor, whatever you're using. All right, next we're gonna crush 3 cloves of garlic and peel them. This recipe has 3 cloves in it. If you don't love garlic as much as I do, you might wanna do 2, or if you really, really, really love garlic, you could probably put 4 cloves in. Now we're gonna juice 2 lemons, which will give us about 3 to 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. And in this recipe, we only need 3 tablespoons. When I juice my lemons, I like to do it in a mesh strainer like this, where it catches all the lemon seeds, so I don't have to pick them out of the juice afterwards. The last thing we're gonna add is Dijon mustard. All right, now we're gonna cover the blender and turn it on. I'm using my compact blender so that it's easier for everything to blend up. You can also use a food processor, but it's not gonna get it as creamy and a great texture, but it would work too. If it gets stuck like this, just add a little bit of water and then that'll get it blending again. And you can also push down the sides, and that'll help activate the blade. Now we are going to take the cashew cream, and we need about half a cup for this recipe. So I'm going to pour it into a little bowl so I combine the rest of the ingredients as well. All right, now we're gonna do some coconut sugar, apple cider vinegar. If you do not have apple cider vinegar, that's okay. You can also use white distilled vinegar or lemon juice too. All right, and the last thing is a pinch of salt. All right, let's mix it together. For the coleslaw, we are going to use napa cabbage, and also to add a little bit of color, we also have purple cabbage too. With the cabbage, you're going to want to chop it finely, almost like you're shredding it with your knife. And if some pieces are thicker, you can come back through and chop it again, which is what I'm going to do. Because I like it super tiny, bite-sized pieces so it doesn't make a mess when you're taking a bite of something and you have lettuce hanging out of your mouth or cabbage hanging out of your mouth. All right. Now we're gonna add it to our bowl and add in the purple cabbage as well and a little bit of carrots. And then we're gonna add that delicious sauce that we made on top and mix it in to give you this creamy coleslaw that also has protein in it thanks to the cashews. All right, there we have it. This is our simple cashew coleslaw that tastes delicious and is so good for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful, and really I hope you make this recipe and enjoy it just like I do. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to our channel, and feel free to leave a comment below letting me know what was your favorite part of this video. All right, thanks and have a great day. Bye.